The Universe and You, written by Suzanne Slade and illustrated by Stephanie Pfizer Coleman. Daylight dims, darkness tiptoes in. You've tucked in tight for a warm, cozy night. The earth beneath you seems solid, still, but gently, ever so gently, it spins, lulling you to sleep. And while you sleep, our beautiful blue Earth and 7 other planets circle the Sun in our solar system. Earth orbits the Sun around and around, carrying majestic mountains, bellowing bullfrogs, delicate daisies, and you, silently snoozing you. And while you sleep, dreaming big dreams, our fiery Sun and billions of other bright stars swirl and whirl around our gorgeous galaxy, the Milky Way. And while you still sleep, dreaming even bigger dreams, billions of galaxies, each with their own swirling, whirling stars, slowly slide away from each other in the ever-expanding expanse of space, our universe. And then, in the blink of an eye, it happens. Right on cue, our glorious Sun peaks above the Earth's horizon. The Sun's rays soar millions of miles through space, sending warm light to sparkling streams, towering trees, hungry hummingbirds, and you, silently stirring you. And when you wake, all the galaxies in the universe, all the stars in the Milky Way, all the planets in the solar system are still moving, circling, and swirling. Darkness is gone, daylight has dawned, and you're ready to play on this brand new day. Earth is always on the move. It spins around an imaginary line through its center called an axis, and makes one complete rotation in 24 hours. That's why a day lasts 24 hours. Earth orbits or circles the Sun, along with 7 other planets: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They are part of our solar system, which also contains dwarf planets, moons, and other small celestial bodies. The Sun's large mass creates a powerful force called gravity, which holds the solar system together. Our solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy, which holds more than 100 billion stars. It's hard to imagine something that huge. But our universe is much bigger. It's so massive, scientists aren't sure how many galaxies it contains, but they think it's at least hundreds of billions. Our vast universe includes everything: all people, animals, and plants, all planets, stars, and galaxies. The universe even contains space, light, and time. It's the largest thing that exists, and scientists say the universe is still expanding and growing bigger all the time. The end.